Dolly here, welcome back to Gipsyrosepaperie. I wanted to make a junk journal out of magazines. I have a tonnage, and when I mean a tonnage of magazines, and I hate throwing them away because the pictures are so beautiful. So I was just looking online and I came across kind of like what I wanted to do, but not exactly. So first I found a YouTuber called Emilou Arts, and what she did was really awesome, and I kind of want to try that too. Is she actually took the magazine itself and made it a journal, and then did her journaling in the magazine and put flip outs. Oh, so nice. So I'll link her video. And then I found another video, Creative Cafe Girl, and she actually made like beautiful junk journals out of magazines. Now mine aren't gonna be that gorgeous. I will link her video too. Mine is gonna be somewhere in between them two. So I have examples, and now I didn't bind these, and I was watching 49 Dragonflies, and she doesn't bind hers, and I was like, that's brilliant, because think about it, like when you want to sew or something like that, or sometimes you want to take a page out or add more pages, I don't know, it's just a lot more flexible. So this is the actual junk journal. So just some book pages. I had some extra planner paper that I don't use, it's really great quality. Some coffee dyed paper from Friends. I have quite a few book pages from Friends Happy Mail in here, but the quality is so good. I just got some notebook paper with flips, and just again assorted papers. So that's the first one, and then this one is with Daphne's Diary, and I think a few people have done the Daphne's Diary cover, but the paper's so pretty. But again, just assorted papers. This paper was from an art journal magazine. Assorted papers from Friends, papers from the thrift, more vintage book pages from Friends. This is from a children's book, and coffee dyed pages, and another children's book. Again, just assorted book pages. I've opted for a B6 size because that's my favorite size of notebook to like work in, plan in, journal in. I really like these like specialty magazines, I guess, because they are really good quality paper stock, and they hold up to a lot. So this cover has been calling my name, so I'm just going to tear it up and use it. So this will be our cover. Again, we're not going to think too hard on this, and then we're going to quickly go through. But like, this is cool, this page with the little boys on there, so we can tear that up, and seeing if there's anything that catches my eye. That is really cool. I'm gonna pull this one out. These are really pretty. I really love this though, but there's a person, and I don't really like putting people in my journal, but we can cover it, you know. So let's just pull this one out. Oh, that's really nice. I will do this one. So the journals have about 12 pages folded over, so you just want to kind of be careful about how many magazine pages you pull out. Obviously, if you wanted to make the whole thing magazine, you can. Stationery paper. I have some art paper. I got some vintage magazine paper. I got some book pages from kids' books. And I have some more beautiful flower pages. And have a little fox. Let's add the little fox. So we are good. 1, 2, 3, and 11, 12. Perfect. We have just enough pages to make our junk journal. We are going to cut down our notebook size. So it is 5 by 7. So the height of it is going to be 7 and the width is going to be 5. But remember, when we open it flat, it'll be 10. So you're going to cut down your paper if you're doing a B6 size to 10 in width and 7th in height. I'm going to go ahead and cut, and when we bend it, it looks super great. I love it. How cute is that? Now, I don't really care for humans. I'm not trying to be insensitive. I just don't really care to see humans, you know. In my junk journals, it throws me off. I don't know what about it. So I'm actually gonna put this pocket on there, and you don't have to use a lot of glue because we're gonna end up sewing this. Get glue all over your hands like I do. And then you have to start making some decisions about your pages. We want some variety in size. So for example, on this one, I'm going to cut the rough edge off, but making sure I don't cut any of the images that I really like. We are going to fold at probably like the 4 mark. And let's add a flip to it too. So we'll make it a 4, and then we'll do a little flip right here. That is our journal. And the only other thing that I would change about this is we had that page where we have the lady's face, and I feel bad that we're like breaking her face apart. So what I'll do decoupage on this, and I have my glue stick, and then I have an extra napkin here. So I'm just going to, I just feel like it throws me off when I have people in my journal. So I'm just going to glue some napkin over her. Give her the privacy that she deserves, darn it. And wherever it didn't stick, I'm not going to stress out. I'm just going to rip. So now, that's it. We're just gonna wait for this to dry before I conjoin everything together. I'm gonna bring my handy dandy sewing machine over so that we can sew the back pocket on. And I like the zigzag stitch, and if you have a brother, this is the SQ9285. I go on the number 5 zigzag stitch, and my position is at 1.4, and the total like height of the stitch is at 3.5, which is the default when you go to that number 5. So just gonna sew and then back sew just to make sure it doesn't come off, and then I'm just gonna sew all the way around. Okay, and that is it. And then I'm just gonna cut some of the excess thread off, and there you have it. That is our little junk journal. So cute. I'm gonna finish cutting off this excess string, but look how cute is our little pocket. I love it. And so let's do a little flip through. So we have our magazine page, a little bingo card, some vintage stationery, another magazine page, some art paper, magazine page, some lined paper, vintage magazine page, another magazine page. So mostly all magazines. Music paper with handwriting on it. I love it. A vintage book page, 2 of them. And then a vintage children's book with the cutest little fox. Oh my goodness. And actually, now that I'm seeing this, I really love him this way. So cute. So I'm going to leave him like that. And now that I'm seeing it, actually, I'm going to flip this one this way, flip that one that way, and flip him this way. And there you have it. Our little junk journal. And we're going to add it to our little junk journal hoard in here. It's looking super cute. I hope you guys are able to follow along and you're able to make your own. And I love to see if you are making any. Definitely tag me. I'm not on Instagram anymore, but I am on Facebook. But you can like tag me in your YouTube. When you edit your video, there's like that bottom part and it has little tags. You can tag me so that I can see, or you can do hashtag gipsyrosepaperie at the description part, and I can also find it that way. So very cute. I'm so excited to get this little notebook filled up and just start having some fun here. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great day. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.